Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to another unboxing. We're talking about massive audio today.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
And this is actually really, really cool. We're talking about Toyota, Honda, and Nissan. Massive Audio actually came with a direct plug and play down to even the factory harness and the factory mount with a aftermarket speaker. Now, this is cool because there's two different, like Nissans, two different Hondas, two different Toyotas. One has the tweeter mounted as a coaxial, and for the vehicles that have a separate tweeter location, you can actually get a replacement tweeter for that. The other cool thing I want to show you is that those cars don't have a, you can't just pull out a speaker and cut it out, replace. Some people do it, it looks like crap. This actually has the mount. Let's turn on the Big Jeff cam so you can see what I'm talking about here. So this actually has the pins to line it up and the mount with the factory foam gapped out. And you can see instead of a metal, they actually did a plastic, just like you do factory, but they made a more efficient driver and the magnet and the tweeter, which make them sound way better than the factories. And this is a perfect plug and play for only $39.99. Now, while you watch this video, make sure you hit that like button, share this out, leave a comment, and always hit the bell so when we have videos like this, you'll be the first to know. For $39.99, I'm gonna go over some of this. There is a soft butyl rubber surround, a 1-inch high temperature KS voice coil, a 20 millimeter tweeter, either separate or on the actual speaker. These are 80 watts RMS, 160 watts peak. So these will work off your factory unit, or definitely if you're doing an upgrade and adding an amplifier to it. So we have all the different models. And if you have a Honda, a Nissan, or a Toyota, you want to go to bigjeffaudio.com, and for $40, they're on sale right now. I think depending on when you watch this video, they might be $50. But you can buy a set either with the tweeter on it or separate, which almost looks like a nice full range speaker with the, everybody loves the bullets on there. And you could pull off your speaker, and this has the plug for the factory plug-in, and it will right on in there. It doesn't get easier than that. Why pay somebody? And then it gives you the gap for the door, the foam on both sides, and this thing is pretty cool. I'm gonna take this over to the bench. We're gonna hook, should be able to hook them up without the factory harness. Yep, we can clip on there. Let's see what these sound like. Let's get the track running. Okay, so we're gonna clip on right there. This is the one with the separate tweeter. First off, you can't hear from there. This thing sounds incredible. It sounds like a $100 set of loudspeakers. And this doesn't even have the tweeter hooked up. Oh, there's so much mid-bass. These things are incredible. Let's look up the one that has the tweeter mounted as a coaxial, which is the same tweeter that you get as a separate, but it is just mounted. You get the right positive and negative. Oh! Okay, that there blew my mind. First time ever hearing these things. The one without the tweeter, incredible. So if you had a location to put it in the dash or the door, would really open up. And then the one with the coaxial tweeter, I mean, for the price, even at $50 a set that you can plug and play with Nissan, Honda, and Toyota, you don't have to build anything. You don't even have to cut the plugs. This is the way to go. We have these at bigjeffaudio.com. hey, if you're a dealer and you see these and you want to get some in stock, people coming in with those vehicles, think how easy this would be to install. You don't have to cut anything out or fix it or gap it out. I mean, this is just ready to go for Toyota, Honda, and Nissan. Man, really surprised me on the sound output on both. I think you would love this, especially for the price. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com with another unboxing from Massive Audio OEM upgrade replacements 6-inch for Nissan, Honda, and Toyota. Make sure you hit that like button. Leave a comment. Tell me what you thought about these. Let us know if there's something you want us to unbox in the near future. And share this out. That's what we do it for, man. Help grow the channel. And all those people that are in it always get into all the giveaways we do. And we can't do that without people like you watching these videos. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com with another unboxing for Massive Audio. These really blew my mind. I'll see you on the next one.